It's been a horrendous week for the crypto market, with the vast majority of digital currencies suffering big losses, but none more than Terra. The token fell at 99.99% from a high of $118 to a mere fraction of the price. Terra LUNA's devastating and sudden collapse also had a knock-on effect to its sister token Terra USD, which saw a big hit, as it's down nearly 75% over the past 24 hours. And Binance as well has just moved to delist Luna futures from its platform. So it's looking like the crypto is as good as dead at the moment. And reacting to the news, Terra LUNA's community has been in overdrive with panic and despair at the record losses. And unfortunately, in the midst of this devastation, conversations around suicide have also appeared in the crypto's forums, as holders of the Thrash tokens struggle with their mental health, some of them having lost their entire life savings. A pinned post on the Reddit sub offers national helpline numbers while cautioning users this is one of the reasons why you shouldn't invest money that you can't afford to lose. What's more, one heartbreaking post resembles a suicide note. The user behind the throwaway account shares that they have lost over $450,000, cannot pay the bank, and they are soon to be homeless. The OP goes on to talk about suicide as the only way out. Another post describes the suicide attempt of a poster's friend, whom, according to the Redditor, moved all of their savings into crypto in 2021, and Luna was a major player in their portfolio. Other users are sharing their stories of struggles with self-harm following huge financial losses in the stock market. But amid these discussions, there are messages of support and solidarity with the Terra LUNA community. One commenter advises an ideator to declare bankruptcy before even contemplating suicide, as those on the verge of losing their home may qualify for equity exemptions that allow them to keep the house as long as they get a job. Though the most important part is to not give up. And in the wise words of another Redditor, do not overestimate the value of money. Life has a much higher value. If you or anyone you know are struggling with suicidal thoughts, international emergency and suicide hotlines are listed in the description. More updates to follow. I'm Holly Shields for Kalkai Media.